Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into some fantastic low-cost manufacturing business ideas. Perfect for beginners with no technical skills. Let's explore some awesome opportunities. First up, we have candle making. This is super popular and surprisingly easy to get into. All you need are some wax, wicks, containers, and fragrances. You can find tutorials online, and the profit margins are great. It's a fun and creative business to start. Next, let's talk about soap making. Similar to candles, soap making requires basic ingredients like oils, lye, and essential oils. The process is straightforward, and you can get creative with scents and designs. People always need soap, so there's a constant demand. Plus, you can easily scale up production. Another great option is jewelry making. You don't need fancy equipment, just some beads, string, and clasps. You can create necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. Selling online through platforms like Etsy is a great way to reach customers. Jewelry making lets you express your creativity and build a brand. Consider personalized gifts. Items like custom mugs, t-shirts, and phone cases are always in demand. You can use print-on-demand services, which means you don't need to hold inventory. Just design the products, and the service handles the manufacturing and shipping. It's a low-risk, high-reward business. Let's not forget about custom stickers. Stickers are versatile and in demand for personalizing various items. You'll need a printer, sticker paper, and some design software. Selling stickers online or at local markets can be a lucrative venture. It's simple to set up and start generating income. If you're into fashion, you could try starting a small-scale clothing alteration business. Many people need alterations, so this service is always valuable. You can start with basic sewing skills and expand as you gain experience. All you need is a sewing machine and basic supplies. Another idea is creating handmade greeting cards. With a bit of creativity, you can design and sell unique cards for various occasions. People are always looking for personalized cards, so there's a niche market to tap into. Use high-quality paper, and offer unique designs. Finally, we have custom keychains. Keychains are practical and make great gifts. You can create them using various materials like resin, wood, or metal. They're easy to customize and sell, making it a great business idea. Start by creating samples and find a reliable supplier. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Remember to research your market, create a business plan, and start small. Good luck!